Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about make your notes available on all your devices in OneNote. OneNote allows you to sync your notes with your cloud account making your notes available across all your supported devices This way you can leave a note on one device and resume working on that note from another device. To have that convenience, you will have to make sure OneNote syncs your notes. Confirm that by selecting the File tab. And choosing the info option then select view sync status. View sync status. On the right pane. Find the notebook you'd like to sync with the cloud and select sync now. next to that notebook. That notebook. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.